Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can send voice notes on TikTok. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all you have to do is simply open your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok here, simply tap on the inbox and open the chat that you want to send the voice message to. Just like this, here you can see I have opened the chat. Now in here you can see this is the message box. If you tap on it, your keyboard will open, and in here you can see a mic-like icon. So all you have to do is simply tap on this icon just like this, and now your voice is being recorded. When you are done recording your voice, all you have to do is tap on this send button right here. And after doing that, here you can see now the voice message has successfully been sent to that person. You can even press and hold this mic button just like this, and it will now start recording. So if you ever want to delete this voice message, you can drag it to the left just like this, and in the dustbin icon here you can release your finger and simply delete that voice note. Here simply tap on this mic button again, and just like this you can see it is now being recorded. And if you also want to delete this kind of hand-free voice message, here you can also tap on this delete icon just like this, and the voice note will be deleted. So again, if you simply press on this mic for a long time like this, your voice will be recorded, and if you want to send it, you can release your finger and send your voice message just like this. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.